Alright guys, we are back and ngayon nga episode 2 na tayo ngayon ng OKX series natin. And for this episode, I'm going to teach you how to set up your profile muna sa inyong OKX, especially the KYC verification. Dahil alam nyo naman, much better na secured nyo or naka-verify na kayo before kayo mag-add ng asset sa isang exchange. And yun nga guys, huwag na natin ito patagalan, so tara na, let's go! And okay, ayun na nga, nagtitry sa pinaka-website nitong OKX.com sa account na natin. Okay, so after nyo kayo makapag-login guys sa episode 1 natin, the next step is to verify nyo muna yung inyong account. But since I am already verified, naghanap ako ng OKX. So OKX has provided us with the step-by-step tutorial kung paano siya. Okay, so ang gagawin nyo lang dan guys is to basically just go to your account. Diba nasa overview yan, punta kayo sa verification or makikita nyo yan dito sa inyong profile, makikita nyo yung verification done. And all you need to do is to go there para makita nyo kung verified na kayo or hindi. This one is also known as KYC sa mga nagtatanong dyan. Okay, so paano nga ba siya? How do I verify an individual account? First is to go to your verification account. So basically this one yan. Punta ka lang dito and click the verification. Next, okay guys, same lang naman to sa app, okay? And sa app, ganun din guys, pupunta kayo dito. Eto, punta kayo sa getting started na app, and guys, makikita nyo dito. May makikita kayo done na identification. So, basic info nito guys is yung country of residence, nationality, local name, language name, and guys, full name, date of birth, ID number, ID type, residential address. So, you need to have a verified or ID, okay? Yung valid ID to get your account verified. Okay, ID documents, okay, kailangan may full name, birth, issue and expiration date. No screenshots or any kind are not accepted. And legible with the clearly visible photo dapat, okay? All corners of the document must be visible and not expired. Selfies. And guys, syempre may selfies din yan guys. And makikita nyo na rin naman din yan. Okay, may selfies din yan. And syempre, meron kayo dapat na proof of address. Okay, tingnan natin. So, kailangan yung sa selfie naman guys, ano ba ang acceptable IDs na pwede mong gamitin dito kay OKX. All you need to have is the valid IDs. Kung pwede, license, national ID, I think, or pwede dito ang inyong mga passport, guys. Okay. SSS, guys, pwede rin yun. Okay. All information, including your profile photo, is clearly legible. Okay. Within expiry contains your date of birth. Katulad nito, guys. Katulad nito. Ayan. Front and back po yan. Ito, password guys, as you can see here. And sa selfie naman guys, you need to take clear selfie. Bawal na tatago yung pangalan nyo or bawal din nakatago yung inyong mga IDs. All you need to do is to hold the card like this. And syempre, dapat kita yung mukha ninyo and along with the ID ninyo. And disclaimer guys, this content is provided for informational purposes only and may cover products that are not available in your region guys. And yun guys, safe naman yung identity nyo dito. Hindi naman kayo ipagkakainan ni OKX. And just guys, kailangan lang nila ma-verify na you are a real person. Okay. And yun guys, after that, basically you're all good to go. So once na yun guys, you need i-review nila yung inyong application within 24 hours and you'll be notified instantly kapag complete na yung inyong verification. And yes guys, after that, makikita nyo na dito yung inyong status kung verified na mo yung identity nyo. And guys, pwede na kayo mag-start and mag-deposit dito. But yes guys, meron pa tayong security na pwede natin gawin dito. And ituturo natin yan sa episode 3 ng ating video. Okay, maraming salamat po guys. Ilalagay ko doon lahat ng links sa mga nakikita ko. And ito rin tong step-by-step tutorial nila. And yung aking referral link dun sa ating description down below. Okay, and maraming salamat po. This is the OKX. I'm Cheese Gaming. Bye-bye.